Year 5. This is part 2 video of Unit 9 Lesson 2. So get ready with your learner's book, page number 128 to 129, and activity book, page number 102 to 103. Now let's get back to learner's book, page number 129. Look at the English box and match it if the natural, the animal, it describes the text. Find more example in the text. You can see the text where there is a its and its. When you use it, if you're talking about the person, name, place and object, instead of using all the time chameleon can change the color, chameleon, you can use instead of name of the animal, you can change its color, it can run faster, it can eat predators, something like that. When you use it's you when the things that belongs to a person, it's the, like you can give an example, cuttlefish. Cuttlefish, it changes its color according to the it can changes its color, its shape. This is how you explain. So I give you one example. It's the flower spiders. Flower, it's venom fangs expert at camouflage. It can change its color. Another is cuttlefish, is it can change the color in second, but it can also change its body shape. Okay, and it shoots the blue ink into the sea. So this is how you'll give a example. I want you to write in your copybook more example from the text using it and its. Okay. Now let's get back to activity book, page number 103. Complete the sentence with it or it. Same thing what you did in the learner's book, now you're going to do in the activity book. Now I want you to do by yourself. Check your answers in the next slide. If you but try to do it by yourself, then you check your answers. Okay, I'll give you one example. Like they already gave you, it has got black and white stripe. Its stripes protect it from the predator. So it's and it. So now I want you to do 3, 4, 5 and check your answer in the next slide. Now again, activity book, page number 103. Challenge. Make sentences about animal using the personal pronoun it and possessive pronoun its. Use the prompts to help you. So now you're going to make the sentences, use the it and its. You have answers here already here. One, cuttlefish ink protect from predator. Its ink protect it's from predator. So how do you write in the sentence using it and its? So I'm going to give you an example for one. Its ink protects it from predator. So you'll write its ink protects it from predator. They already give you one example. Now camel, 2 humps, store fat, give energy. So what are you going to write? Its 2 humps, store fat to give it energy. So this is how you write. So I want you to write and check your better. You write in your copybook and check your answer in the next slide. Now let's get back to learner's book, page number 129. Activity 5, word study. Now in word study, what you have to do now, animal characteristics. Now look at the animals below and use the words in the box to describe how this characteristic help them use its and its when you can. So now look, you can see the box there down. There is a furry coat, long tail, big ears, stripes, scales. You can see this one. Okay, you can see this box, right? Yeah. So look at the animals below and you can see the animals here. Okay. Now use these words in the box and how these characters help them to use it. So you need to use these animals using its and its, using the words from the box. So like one example, like number 5, like now a snake has got scales. It uses its scale to help it move and to keep cool. Then another one, you can write a monkey has long tail, so it uses to hang up in the tree. So this is how you need. I gave you one example. So about the monkey. Monkey has got long tail, so it uses to hang on the tree and move one tree to another tree. So this is another example. I want you to write about the elephant. There is a giraffe, there is a camel, there is a tiger. So use one example, it, using it or and its. So please do it in your copybook and send me the picture. And number 6, activity 6. Now over to you, learner's book, page number 129. Find out how other animals have adapted to their environments. Research one of the animals above or choose your own. Present your findings to the and find out how other animals have adapted to the environment. Think of other animals. Okay, if in your copy we can see in activity 1 there is zebra, there is elephant. Okay, find it more. And research one of the animal above or choose your own. Present your finding to the class. So why has the zebra got stripe? Why has the giraffe got? Okay, you can research about it. You can go on the net and you can write down about the finding about that animal. Okay, you're going to write in the copybook. And thank you so much for listening. So once you finish, please send all your activities on the ClassDojo by email. If you have any doubt, you can contact me on the ClassDojo or email. Thank you so much once again.